Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Guys, here we are over at Scot's shop, and he has been detailing the 300 TD for most of the day, the 85. As you can see, I've been back at my shop working on some engine stuff. But anyway, let's go in and take a look at what Scott's been up to. As you can see, he's got the trim and whatnot taped off, and I can already see he is polishing all the glass. And usually what that's for is if you have any, water spots or watermarks on the glass, you can't clean that stuff off with Windex, and so he's actually polishing all the glass. Here we can already see Scott, he hasn't done this one, but he's already finished this back window. Look how clear the glass is. That's very, very nice. I can already see he is done with the buffing and polishing of the roof, and that is incredible. Let me see if I can get a better view of this over here. Wow. Look, there you go. You can see there's the roof of the shop right there. That is a remarkable finish. Nice. It looks like he's kind of started up here on the hood too. It's got all the trim taped off. Oh, we've removed, the cowl vents so he can buff and polish correctly up here. So it's coming along. This is going to be a 2 or 3 day process. We're going over every detail of the exterior and interior of the vehicle. Now the interior won't be as quite as in depth, because all of that is all the carpet and everything is new in there. The dash, the wood trim, so that won't be as detailed. But this exterior is going to be amazing when he is done buffing and polishing the repaint. So I will keep you guys updated. All right, guys, it's day 2 of the detailing. Scott was showing me a nice little touch here. He just polished this cover plate back here. Look how nice that came out. And now we're working on just detailing the interior, but we are pretty much done with the interior at this point. Let me walk to the other side so the steering wheel is not in the way. God, that looks fantastic back there, doesn't it? You ever seen a wagon that nice? Scott, you ever seen a wagon this nice?
Not in years.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at, dude, look at that view right there, Scott, with all the new wood trim and everything.
Yeah.
That looks fantastic, doesn't it? Got to put the steering wheel cover on. Yeah, that is incredible. So we're still, Scott's still going to polish on this side. He's already done the windows, polished on the, oh, let me show you guys the hood. He finished buffing, polishing, and sanding, buffing, polishing on this hood today. Look at that. Here you go. I always like to show the, there you go. There's the shop door. You guys are seeing right there. Look at that. That's remarkable. That's a good paint job, you guys. We have just finished the detailing. Scott's wiping his final magic sauce on there. This car has come out incredible. Doesn't get much better than that. Put the roof racks on there. I decided not to put back on the, the 5 strips, but just because this paint is so nice, that was a factory option. You could get the cars without it. And I did not want to put glue up there and glue those strips back down. It is just too nice. And so, I'll send them along with the car, but I would not recommend putting glue up there and gluing those strips back down. It just, the car came out too beautiful, and I don't want to mess up that paint. That's my favorite part right there, Scott.
What?
The rear cargo. That's outstanding. What do you think about this wagon?
You aren't going to find another one as nice with this kind of mileage.
Yeah, low mileage.
Most of the ones that I've worked on were 300,000 miles.
Most of them are like that.
I had one customer with one with 500,000.
That's amazing.
500,000 miles, but it was rode hard and put away wet. I mean, it eventually, the back end started sagging. Yeah, I mean, he never kept it super clean, but he drove the daylights out of it.
That's what a lot of people just drove the hell out of them. It's hard to find them with this kind of mileage. Anyway, guys, that's it for the detailing video. We'll do the walk around and test drive video this weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.